JM800 multi-stations integrated wire harness processing equipment. Highly automated to complete wire feeding, cutting, stripping, seals inserting, crimping, and connector housing insertion. Working 24 hours a day, only one operator is needed for the entire process of material replacement. Supporting connecting to MES system to automatically dispatch work orders. Configure CCD intelligent monitoring system to provide real-time feedback on processing status and defect rate, and eliminate defective wire harness. 8 to 10 such machines in one workshop can achieve all required production capacity for the entire workshop with only 8 to 10 workers.